Today we'll be reviewing homemade kimchi from Natni's kitchen. When I ordered, it arrived on a sealed plastic bag. I peeked at it earlier, so I broke the seal. It currently comes in one size, and I am guessing this is a 500 ml jar, and it's filled up to the brim with kimchi. I like that they used a transparent reusable jar. The label reminds me of a chalk writing. It says homemade kimchi by Natni's kitchen. Their contact details are here, and I will place their FB link on the video description. You can see how full the jar is from the lid as well. Let's check out the contents. The smell of kimchi is quite strong, though I don't smell any preservatives aside from the spice or the paste that they used when they made this. Store-bought kimchi usually gives a sour-ish smell when you open them, which really puts me off. The smell on this kimchi is not overpowering. Placing the contents on a plate, I can see that the veggies are still intact and are quite firm. It really looks as if it has not been on the jar for far too long. When I got my order earlier, I was informed that this kimchi was freshly made. I really like spicy food, but I don't really like eating kimchi on its own because I don't really like the store-bought ones. So I was really hesitant to try this out. I was hearing a lot of great feedback from my workmates who have ordered kimchi from Natni's kitchen, so I decided to give it a go. And honestly, it was worth it. The cabbage is still quite crunchy. The radish tastes really fresh. They were not mushy at all, which is what I was expecting. I quite like spicy food, and for me, I would say that this kimchi is mildly spicy, but it still hits the spot. The spice level is just right because it makes you taste the subtle hint of sweetness. If you're not a fan of kimchi, I suggest you order this from Natni's kitchen, and I think it will surely convert you. For today, we will use this kimchi to make kimchi fried rice for the first time. So what we'll do is to add some sesame oil on a pan, and we'll wait for it to heat up. When the oil is quite hot, we will go ahead and add some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. So we'll just saute them on the pan, and we'll keep an eye on them because we don't want the garlic to burn. So we'll just stir and stir, move it around the pan so that the garlic won't burn. And as soon as you can smell the ginger on the from the pan, we will be adding our kimchi. So I chopped the kimchi into smaller pieces because I feel that it will mix better with the rice if it's chopped. So we will add that and saute them with the garlic and the ginger. I added about half of the jar of the Natni's kitchen kimchi, homemade kimchi. So we'll just saute that for like a minute or two, and then we'll add our rice. So after a minute or two, we'll add our cooked rice.